Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Quick little video here today guys. I didn't even mean to record this, but I said why not. At the last minute, set up my camera and started recording myself cooking my weekly meal. My nice good stewed chicken guys. I eat this stewed chicken every week, but I'm going to put a little twist on it tonight. Excuse me how my work area is all cluttered there. See, that's my air fryer sitting behind me. I could have pushed that back a little bit more, but get that out of the camera. But in any case, just seasoning up chicken here. Got my chicken in the pan with some water, and I added me some black pepper to it and some onion powder. And I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna add me some of this Uncle Steve shake inside of here. I know a lot of people use this on the big chicken and grilled chicken, but I just love the flavor of it in general, so I'm going to put a little bit of that inside of here and open this other side so I can really get it down in there. Alright, so that's a little black pepper, onion powder, my Uncle Steve shake, the bird shake. And then this is what I'm going to do different. I'm going to come in here with a can of this cream of chicken right here, and I'm going to get that down inside of here. I'm not going to add any other seasonings inside of here, especially nothing with sodium in it, because these little cans of cream of chicken and stuff is loaded with sodium. So I'll just let that be my sodium right now, and then if I need to, I can always come back later and add some more seasoning to it if need be. So just coming in with my whisk here and breaking that all apart, getting that dissolved inside of here. Alright, so once I have that fairly broken up, it'll finish dissolve once it starts cooking. I'm going to come over here. Got me half of an onion right here. I'm just going to go ahead and get that inside of there guys. And no kitchen bouquet today. Just going to use this gravy, or let this gravy be whatever it is today. No kitchen bouquet. So I covered it and let it go on like a medium-high heat for about a good hour and 15 minutes. And this is what we got right here guys. Just a nice quick meal. You see that cream of chicken gave it a nice gravy to it. It's starting to cook off of the bone. It's already cooking off of the bone. I'm going to come in here and just finish shred it up. I like taking all of the meat off of the bone guys. I don't eat bones, so what I'm going to do with the bones. So I like to come in here and just break all of that meat off and just have just a nice good gravy and meat. So when I start eating, I don't have to deal with any bones. So this was a nice quick meal. This was my Thursday night meal right here. And this thing turned out absolutely delicious. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and plate that up. Take my little thumbnails and my videos and come back and give this a taste test for you guys. My weekly dinner meal right here. Some nice good stewed chicken, onions and gravy. Alright guys, coming in with a quick taste test. Got my nice good stewed chicken right here, my weekly meal. I know this thing is absolutely delicious. I already picked it off of the bone. I don't want to fight with any bones while I'm eating. Come and drop a little hot sauce on here. A little bit of that good old Texas Pete. Gonna get me another bottle. Alright. Gonna come in here. I want that piece where it's soaked down into that gravy, soaked down into that rice right there. Let me get that piece. Look at that. That's good. Chicken, onions, gravy. Give that a taste. Now Uncle Steve shake. A cream of chicken. And that chicken bouillon powder. Might seem salty to some, but if you use the right amount, absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. One more bite. Good night, John boy. Alrighty guys, so this meal right here never ever fails me. Absolutely delicious. I eat this thing every single week. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also please subscribe to my channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV. And I'm on Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a blessed weekend, guys.